Welcome to ICO Reviews, and today I bring you Spotcoin. What is Spotcoin? Please watch this video.
Spotcoin. We make digital currencies work for everyone, and we're launching an ICO for Spot, the token with weekly and quarterly dividend payouts for coin holders.
We believe in the potential of blockchain technology, but not in a virtual bubble. Real success needs to happen in the real world.
We believe in transparency for the world's financial markets.
We create streamlined fintech solutions for implementation in the real economy, from direct currency exchanges to easy webshop payments.
We started Spotcoin in 2016 in the country of Georgia and quickly became a market leader as an over-the-counter clearinghouse for digital currencies.
We processed over $10 million in transactions in 2017 alone.
Over 15% of global Bitcoin mining takes place here. Did you know the Georgian government already uses blockchain technology to register property transactions and land deeds? Blockchain has been tried and tested right here.
Spot allows us to expand the OTC and establish an automated exchange between digital and fiat currencies with a turnaround time of 1 business day.
Our payment platform, SpotPay, will allow customers to buy goods and services using a combination of digital and traditional currencies, and merchants can select in which currencies they want to be paid.
Token holders will enjoy a weekly dividend of 51% of exchange fees, together with a quarterly dividend of 12% of net company profits. That's a good deal.
You can purchase our token from May 1 to June 1, 2018. It's based on the NEP5 standard fueled by NEO.
Total token supply is maxed at 99 million tokens. Of course, you can purchase Spot not only with cryptocurrencies, but also with old school euros and dollars.
You see, by giving everyone easy access to the smart economy, everybody wins.
So do I have to introduce the team to you once again? I don't think so. You've seen it all. You've seen the purpose of the coin. You've seen the team. They are not hiding their face. They are showing themselves. You can see it right there. I believe this should be real. I mean, I doubt if this would be an exit scam. They have a purpose. They have what to do. They have a country that they are operating from. You can see them all. Spotcoin will be on new blockchain, and I believe after the ICO it should be out on Switchio exchange. I strongly believe you shouldn't take time before you'll be able to sell your token and make your profit. Well, the total supply is 99 million Spotcoin. That I liked about that. When a coin has 2 billion, 5 billion and all the rest, is huge. You cannot expect a coin of 5 billion coin to worth $1 or $2. It's going to be difficult. It can, but they will have to work hard to achieve that. With 99 million spot maximum supply, I think that is a good deal. The price per token is 50 cents. 50 cents. And 66 million is what's going to be sold on the ICO. And you can see the team right here, everything. You've seen most of them in the videos already. They have a Facebook page, they have a Telegram page, and the Telegram page, I really like it. They have admin there. You can send your message, you can ask any problem. If you have any problem, just send the message to the Telegram and the admin will reply you. I like when ICOs has a Telegram channel where people who has any problem, who has any question can ask and they get answered right on time. It's not like sending an email to them. You have to wait like 3 days or 4 days, like the way some of these exchange treat us like fools. You have issues with them. You send an email. You have to wait and wait and wait for 3 days. Sometimes they never reply. But when an exchange or an ICO has a Telegram page or a channel, where you can ask any question, where you can make any complaint, and immediately the admin is ready to search for you, that is awesome for me. I believe I'm being treated like a human being. And this is the Facebook page. Well, not so much persons are involved in the on Facebook. You know, they have 2,473 people who likes the page and 2,590. And you see, Spotcoin is currently giving airdrops. You know, let me show you this. I'm sorry. Okay. From May 14 to May 20, they are already giving 20, 40, or 60 token for those who have Red Pulse Coin, KLSE, Social. They started May 28th. The amazing thing is that May 28th to June 3rd. But anyone who did not register on the May 28th will not get it, because you have to register, join a Telegram group, and get your 20, 50, or 70 token by May 2028. Look at what happened here. Let me go to the Facebook page. You can see Spotcoin airdrop sold out. So if anyone does not register immediately on May 28th, you will be able to get it. So what is remaining? Well, this is it. From June 4th to June 10, EFX token. If you have 500 and you have it not on the exchange wallets, but on the new wallets or any other wallet you have it on, you'll be able to have 50 spot token. Now, so I will advise you, immediately by June 4th, make sure you register immediately and to be able to get it. By June 5th, I'm sure you'll not be able to get it at all. I'm sure about that. I may be wrong, but I believe so, based on what is happening with social here. So come June 4th, try to get your EFS. What is EFS, you may wonder, is effect.ai. This is the coin. You can get it on social exchange, which you can buy it with NEO, with gas, whatever. Now, let's go to ICO bench. They have 4.6 expert rating out of 5. I think that is awesome. The ICO profile is 4.8, the team 4.8, the vision 4.8, the product 4.1, vision 4.6, product 4.1. And you can see the ratings here, what people are saying about it. I mean, now let's go here. The sports, 40 cents for pre-ICO. The ICO price is 50 cents. And the platform is new. You can buy with gas, with NEO, with BTC, with ETH, Ethereum, with SIB, with fiat currency. Minimum investment is 50 spots. That is 50. That is about $25 minimum. The soft cap is 5 million. The hard cap is 30 million. The country is Georgia. Georgia is really inviting people for it's a place where people can easily set up their business easily, and it has become a place where many crypto startups are really going to start their cryptocurrency startup or the ICO or whatever. You will need a KYC. KYC is know your customer, and where you will need to fill your name and to send for the data page of your passport, of your driver's license, or any government document issued to you. Now, the reason is because they need to follow regulations. If you are a citizen of US, China, and South Korea, this is restricted for you. But people still found their way. How? Don't ask me. Let me show you something here. Their Alexa ranking. This is the Alexa ranking for Spotcoin, and 15.3% are from Spain. So people from Spain are really checking on this website. Hopefully they are investing on Spotcoin. The second, United States, though here it shows that it's restricted for United States. So people are still getting involved. A lot of crypto investors are already getting involved, and India, Netherlands, and Sri Lanka. So I mean, I would really advise you to take your time to check the white paper, read everything you want to read about it, and make your decision. Remember, I am not your financial advisor. I don't tell you what to do. It is your decision to do what you want to do. And this is not a paid review. I don't receive a dime, a cent from Spotcoin developers for reviewing this. How will I rate this? I think I will rate this maybe 9/10 or 10, even close to 10/10, because I can see the developers and I can see the videos. I mean, I doubt it. They can't exist scam. It's beautiful for them. So I believe it's a coin that will do well. And one thing I really find interesting is that most coins on Ethereum platform or mostly new platform, once they finish the ICOs, you can easily sell them on decentralized exchange like Switch. So you're not going to wait for 6 months, for 1 year before they come to next year. I believe very soon you should be able to buy Spotcoin on Switch and on Switch exchange, then being able to make your money. Thank you very much for watching the video. I'm going to leave my referral link for Spotcoin below. Please click on it, register, and if you decide to invest on this, please invest on it. I'm really going for it. I love this coin. Now, and don't forget too, you can also buy or purchase Effect of AI token. And this date, June 4th, you register and you'll be able to get 50 free spot token. Thank you a million times for watching my video. This is ICO reviews. Please hit the like button and subscribe. Until next time, goodbye.